I want to connect my phone into my new ID.5 GTX. But how do I do that? And now I'm going to connect you to my car. But how?
This is your human service guide speaking. Hey Daniel, how's it going?
Hi Nicole. I want to connect my phone to my ID.5 GTX. How do I do that?
So all ID models have this really great feature called initial setup. To find it, go to your infotainment system and hit settings. And there you'll find the configuration wizard. It'll walk you through everything you need to know about how to set up the radio in your phone. But you can also connect your phone directly. And this is really fast and easy to do, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let me ask you this though. Is the Bluetooth on your phone on, and is it visible to other devices?
It is now.
Perfect. Now go to the infotainment screen of your ID.5 and select the phone tile. Once you're in there, go to settings, choose mobile phone, and when you see the name of your phone on the list, select it.
There it is, Daniel's adequately clever phone.
So that's a great name, I love it. So now you should see a pin come up on the display of your phone and on the infotainment system. Check it to make sure that it's the same, and if it is, confirm. Once you've done that, you should see a notification on your smartphone asking you to grant access to your phone book and notifications. I suggest that you say yes, because it's going to make it easier for you to communicate with your friends while you're driving.
Of course, I need my phone book.
Super. Now your phone is connected to the car to make phone calls. Now if you want to play music, head on over to radio/media, hit media on the top right and select Bluetooth.
Yes, my road trip playlist.
By the way, you can also use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay if your phone supports it. Head on over to App Connect on the main menu, and then you'll be able to select it. Once you're in there, you're going to be able to access all the contents of your phone and use supported apps while driving. So take a look, play around, and then decide if you want to use it.
Great! Can I pair multiple devices?
Of course, you can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. If you head on over to settings in your infotainment system, mobile devices, from there you can select an additional mobile device. Now this is great because say you're on a road trip with a friend and they want to play their playlists. You'll be able to do that. Or let's say you have a work phone. You'll be able to connect your work phone simultaneously as well. What's cool about this is that hands-free works with both phones. So you'll be able to take calls no matter which phone the call comes in on.
That's super easy to do. Thanks, Nicole.
My pleasure, Daniel. Anytime. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Volkswagen.